Ayo motor metode dengan Moge live dan Oki baiklah. Yeah bro. Oke, hari ini akan ulas target fixation dan counter steering, swerving, terpenting, belajar skillnya, terpenting, oke? Okay, bilang the reason why we learn this technique. Why?
So, target fixation, basically Dominic bilang ke saya bahwa banyak orang itu kalau di depan kita ada bahaya, ada obstacle, ada rintangan, kita lupa untuk bisa lebih fokus melihat arah kemananya.
Ya, salah ya, berbahaya.
Ya, kita lebih fokus untuk melihat bahayanya, jadi kita akan lebih sliding atau nabrak.
Ya, daripada melihat arah yang tuju, ya.
Yeah,
I said that right.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, okay, sweet.
Arah yang kita tuju.
Yeah, really. What he said, yeah.
Jadi kita kalau ke arah yang
write in the comments if you think my bahasa is better or how much it sucks. But yeah.
Kalau kita melihat arah kita kemana, so kita akan lebih baik untuk menghandle motor kita. Jelas kita harus melakukan rem, yang Dominic bilang rem sedikit.
Ya,
so
selalu meramas rem ringan, tidak keras. Bisa keras nanti, but the pertama like 5% ringan, get the tire to grip, then bisa keras.
Kenapa dong harus ringan? Kalau berat langsung sliding atau?
Ya, jika terlalu keras dengan rem depan bisa stopi, atau bisa ban depan lose the traction, yeah?
Okay.
Especially if we are swerving, okay? The whole point of today is to show you that not always you can do the emergency braking. So instead of doing the rem darurat, you can also focus on an escape route.
Yes.
This is what we're practicing now.
That's the point, escape route. Jadi kita tahu jalan keluar dari masalah ini.
So it's very important, as I said earlier, Mahasa, to practice swerving the bike quickly with some brake applied, because sometimes there's nothing you can do. You have to emergency brake. Check tutorial rem darurat dulu jika enggak nonton. But if you already past the stage where you know, sudah tahu gimana membuat rem darurat, this lesson is okay. Now you're more advanced, you look for an escape route. So not only, you know you're not gonna stop in time. So you need to see, am I going left? Am I going right? And already be able to counter steer the bike in that direction. Can my Bahasa guru explain that now in Bahasa?
So, seperti yang saya bilang sebelumnya bahwa kita dengan yang Dominic sudah kasih tahu semuanya, dari video sebelumnya bahwa rem darurat semuanya itu akan, kalau yang sekarang kita lakukan ini akan lebih naik level lagi, karena kita lebih cari jalan keluarnya dibandingkan kita harus topi, sliding, atau kita cuman lihat masalah di depan kita. Jadi kita cari hari ini jalan keluarnya, dan ini jalan keluarnya.
Setuju. Oke. Oke, mau latihan counter steering and tanpa target fixation. Latihan ini hanya 2 ban, bisa cone, bisa bottle, doesn't matter. So, jadi Oki mau berkendara di sana ke sini kira-kira 30-40 km. Ketika dekat bannya, rem ringan, rem depan ringan, dan counter steer evasive maneuver ke kiri atau untuk Oki ke kanan, ya. Okay, so this is how you practice, guys. You ride at the direction of the obstacle, get your braking point, and then when you're getting close and you know you're not going to stop in time, you swerve either side of the object. Oki's going to be swerving to his left, my right, your view is right.
One thing, you can change your obstacle with your X.
You can do this as well, but then you might want to menabrak. With X mal menabrak, yeah? Okay guys, so we're gonna show you now Oki practicing from different angles. Counter steering, yeah, here's a brief reminder. On the bike, when you push the bars forward, you're counter steering, even if you don't know you're doing it. If you want to counter steer to the left, you push the left bar forward or you pull the right bar back, okay? So that's how you want to understand counter steering. So as you get through the braking, obviously too much braking, that's why we say not hard. Tidak terlalu keras, because that stands the bike up and doesn't let you to move the bike. The bike wants to keep straight. So you have to be light or relaxed. If you see your scraper, relax the brake and swerve. So part of the reflexes is you are gonna see the problem and fixate for a minute, but it's then quickly using your reflexes to change the gaze and react quickly with your counter steering. So yeah guys, simple to practice. You can practice on an empty street, car park, anything like this, or come to Circuit Bangli. The government has provided this for us to practice outside of the roads. But yeah, very important skill is not target fixating, looking for your exit, and counter steering, evasive maneuver out the way. We just showed you to our left, but practice both ways. You never know what situation is gonna come up. So yeah.
Maksud dari Dominic adalah poinnya adalah kita tetap fokus di jalan untuk lihat jalan kita, karena kita biasanya fokus dengan apa yang di depan kita, seperti kayak rem atau apa, panik. Kita kebanyakan panik.
Selalu tidak panik ya.
Iya, jangan panik, kita harus panik. Fokus.
Dilarang
Kalau
panik.
memang tidak bisa, pelan. Ya. Itu lebih baik, karena nggak ada yang kasih kalian hadiah juga ya kan. Yeah man, but like with the safety place kayak gini, kita bisa melakukan speeding dan lebih fokus. Jadi belajar di tempat yang lebih aman. Kebetulan we have this Bangli. Sirkuit Bangli is beautiful. I hope pemerintah Bali akan lebih ngebangun tempat ini, jadi nggak ada lagi yang moge-moge jalan di jalan raya yang tidak responsible, ya? Yeah. It's good? It's good.
So now we're going to show you what the advanced version looks a little bit more like, that you can practice swaying the bike left and right at a higher speed, so you can see how you can practice and get better at controlling your bike.
Dominic akan demonstrasi untuk gimana caranya kamu
lebih sulit daripada this is starter. This one more advanced, starting to get to more tracks kind of style, yeah?
Yeah, Dominic is gonna be salsa on the bike.
Okay guys, check that out, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think of my bahasa, if it's coming along, whether it's good, bad, funny or what. And a lot of people say I sound like a cartoon character when I speak my bahasa, so...
Like what? What cartoon?
Fuck, I don't know, man. But yeah,
Simpson.
No, I don't know. Is it true? Benar kah ketika boleh berbicara bahasa Indonesia bisa dengar seperti mirip kartun, ya? I don't think so, but anyway, subscribe.
Yes.